Xiaomi has quietly updated its entry-level productivity monitor line with the release of the A24i2026 offering a range of upgrades over the original 2024 model, while retaining the core simplicity and practicality that made the A24i series popular for everyday use. The A24i 2026 continues to target users seeking an affordable, reliable display for work, web browsing, content consumption, and light gaming, but brings meaningful improvements that enhance its versatility. At its heart, the A24i 2026 remains a 23.8-inch IPS panel monitor delivering Full HD 1920 x 1080 resolution and a 16:9 aspect ratio. The panel supports a wide 178 viewing angle, ensuring consistent image quality even when viewed off-center, a useful trait for shared or multi-monitor setups. The screen displays 16.7 million colors and covers approximately 99% of the sRGB gamut, making it capable of delivering vivid, natural color reproduction suitable for everyday productivity, media viewing, and even basic creative work. One of the major updates in the 2026 revision is its refresh rate. Xiaomi has bumped the display from 100 Hz in the original A24i to a smoother 144 Hz panel in the A24i 2026. This higher refresh rate enables smoother scrolling, more fluid interface interactions, and a smoother feel when gaming, a significant plus for users who want better responsiveness even on a budget monitor. Meanwhile, the gray-to-gray GTG response time remains at 6 milliseconds, which is adequate for general tasks and casual gaming alike. Color accuracy also sees a meaningful upgrade. The new model boasts factory calibration to a E1 standard, down from E2 inches, the 2024 model, meaning color deviations are now nearly imperceptible to the human eye, an important improvement for users doing color-sensitive tasks such as photo editing or design. Contrast ratio has been increased from 1000 to 1 to 1500 to 1, improving the depth and richness of blacks and overall image contrast, a welcome enhancement especially in darker scenes or when working with high-contrast content. However, some aspects remain unchanged. The monitor still outputs Full HD only, and the peak brightness remains at 300 nits, which means it remains unsuitable for genuine HDR content. As for connectivity, the A24i2026 sticks with the basics. 1 DisplayPort 1.4 port, 1 HDMI 2.0 port, and a DC input for power enough for most desktops and laptops, but lacking additional I/O such as USB hubs or audio out. Design-wise, the new model continues the minimalist aesthetic of the previous generation, with narrow bezels on 3 sides for a more immersive viewing experience and a clean, uncluttered look. The stand provides tilt adjustment, and the monitor remains compatible with VSA mounting, though the bracket must be purchased separately, giving flexibility for wall or arm mounting. In practical terms, the A24i 2026 makes for an excellent, budget-friendly monitor that punches above its class for color-accurate work, productivity, and casual entertainment. Its upgraded refresh rate and contrast improvements make it a more compelling choice than its predecessor for anyone seeking a low-cost but capable display for everyday computing workload and light gaming without stepping into mid-range monitor pricing. In sum, the A24i 2026 represents a thoughtful evolution of the basic monitor formula. It keeps the core strengths, IPS panel, slim design, sRGB coverage, simple connectivity, but enhances fluidity, color fidelity, and contrast to deliver measurable benefits in real-world use. For professionals working on content, students, office workers, or light-to-casual gamers, it's a strong all-rounder monitor for the money.